So you need a new car, but your credit is less than perfect.
I wish we could help you.
Good news. Auto Credit of Southern Illinois understands that bad credit can happen to good people. If you're at least 18 years of age, have a valid Illinois driver's license, and bring home $800 a month, you're approved. And with H&R Block, you can get the car and the cash even before tax season. Apply today and drive today at Auto Credit of Southern Illinois.